Right now, you probably have 6 tabs open, a notification buzzing somewhere nearby, maybe a show playing while you scroll something else entirely. You call this multitasking, but the real answer is far stranger. Your brain was never built for constant noise, and it wasn't built for total rest either. It was built for something in between, something ancient hunters trained every single day of their lives. Picture a tracker moving through dry grassland at dawn, not running, not scrolling, just watching. A bent blade of grass, a faint indent in the sand, a broken twig at an odd angle. Each tiny detail tells a story, and one wrong guess means no food today. This wasn't relaxation, and it wasn't panic either. Researchers who study hunter-gatherer tracking describe this as a state of sustained, patient attention, hours of quiet focus locked onto a single evolving problem. Here's the part that should surprise you. Anthropologist Liebenberg, who spent decades studying trackers in the Kalahari, proposed that this kind of tracking may be one of the oldest forms of scientific reasoning humans ever practiced. Long before written language, hunters were forming hypotheses, testing them against evidence, and revising their thinking in real time. Track reading, in other words, wasn't just survival. It may have helped shape the very way your brain solves problems today. So why does modern focus feel so broken? Because your attention system wasn't designed for an environment that never stops pinging you. It was designed for cycles. Long stretches of narrow, effortful focus on one changing thing, followed by real recovery. Not 5 minutes of rest between notifications. Actual, undistracted downtime. This is where the twist gets interesting. Psychologists Rachel and Stephen Kaplan spent years studying what actually restores depleted attention, and their research pointed somewhere unexpected. Nature. Not a screen. Not a nap indoors. Environments with the kind of gentle, effortless stimulation a tracker would recognize instantly. Moving leaves, shifting light, distant sound. Their attention restoration theory suggests this kind of soft, undemanding input lets the brain's overworked focus system quietly recharge, the same way it likely did for humans who spent their entire day outside, alternating between sharp attention and open awareness. Notice what's missing from that cycle. No phone, no feed refreshing every few seconds, no dozen tasks competing at once. Just one changing thing to track, followed by unstructured quiet. Your brain still runs on this pattern, even though almost nothing in your day is built for it anymore. Here's the mirror moment. Think about the last time you actually focused well. Chances are it wasn't while switching between apps. It was probably one task, one problem, stretched out with nothing else pulling at you. That isn't a coincidence, and it isn't a personal failure. It's an ancient system doing exactly what it was built to do, in an environment that keeps starving it of the conditions it needs. So if you want sharper focus, the ancient method isn't complicated. Single task, the way a tracker follows one trail at a time. Work in real, uninterrupted stretches, not fragmented bursts. And when you're done, actually rest, ideally somewhere with a little natural movement to look at, not another screen to stare into. Your attention isn't broken. It's just still waiting for the world it was built for. So the next time you open 6 tabs at once, remember this. You weren't designed to hold 6 threads in your head. You were designed to follow one, patiently, carefully, all the way to the end.